Alex Tech. It's a cable management system, a half-inch cord loop protector for electrical cables, speakers, and more. They come in a number of colors and sizes, and they're cuttable for indoor, outdoor use in the car, by the computer desk, in the kitchen, on the wall. This one comes in wide and is up to 10 feet. And we're going to demonstrate and show you what this product is about and what you get inside the box. The split cable sleeving shows you the product application and what it's for, how to set up, and the unit. It is already cut and wrapped around 3/4 of a time and it has a memory. You can place in your cables, USB-Cs, PD-20s, and other types of cables. You're able to cut it. Flame resistant. And you just want to wrap all the cables neatly together by opening, grabbing, and start working it into the sleeve. And you have your cable management system that you have up to a 1/2 inch of cable to supply into the white sleeve. If needing to remove, as simple as grabbing and removing off. You have cables outside that need to be protected and you want to wrap up. You simply can place on, like so. Added protection inside a wall area. Make nice and neat. We have coax cable, 3, as we're able to dress up. And complete off in different directions of the cable management system. Dressing up is as easy as can be, and when removing, as simple as grabbing and pulling off. You're looking to tidy up your cables? Pick a color of choice, sizes of choice, and put all those stranded cables into a 1/2 inch design and lock down neatly. You're looking for a cable management system that you can protect, run cables, bars, and more. Maybe this is something that you are looking for in a product. Easy to install, easy to place on. Comes in different lengths and sizes. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.